Hey there, you're sitting on the couch, scrolling through your phone, and you come across an ad for Wealthsimple. Hook, have you ever wondered, what platform does Wealthsimple use? It's a question that's popped up in my mind more than a few times. So, let's dive in and find out together. Building context. Before we get to the nitty-gritty, let's talk about Wealthsimple itself. It's a Canadian financial technology company that offers a range of investment and wealth management services. They've gained a lot of popularity for their easy-to-use platform and low fees. But what's behind the scenes? What technology powers this user-friendly experience? The platform, a deep dive. Now, let's tackle the main question: what platform does Wealthsimple use? The backbone, a modern tech stack. Wealthsimple's platform is built on a robust and scalable tech stack. This includes cloud infrastructure. They leverage cloud computing services from major providers like Amazon Web Services, AWS, or Microsoft Azure. This allows them to scale their infrastructure quickly to meet growing demand. Programming languages, Python and JavaScript are likely the primary languages used for developing Wealthsimple's platform. These languages are popular in the tech industry due to their versatility and large developer communities. Frameworks like React and Django can be used to streamline development and enhance the user experience. React, for example, is a popular JavaScript library for building user interfaces, while Django is a Python web framework that can handle complex back-end operations. Databases, relational databases like PostgreSQL or MySQL are likely used to store and manage user data, investment information, and other critical data. Security and data protection. Given the sensitive nature of financial data, Wealthsimple places a high emphasis on security. They likely employ a combination of measures to protect user information, including encryption. Data is encrypted both at rest and in transit to prevent unauthorized access. Firewalls are used to filter network traffic and protect against malicious attacks. Regular security audits. Wealthsimple likely conducts regular security audits to identify and address potential vulnerabilities. User experience and design. One of the reasons Wealthsimple has become so popular is its intuitive and user-friendly interface. This is likely achieved through design principles. Wealthsimple follows modern design principles to create a visually appealing and easy-to-navigate platform. User testing. They likely conduct user testing to gather feedback and make improvements to the user experience. Beyond the platform, the human element. While the platform is crucial, it's important to remember that Wealthsimple is more than just technology. They have a team of financial experts and customer support representatives who play a vital role in providing personalized advice and assistance to their clients. Conclusion. So, to answer the question, what platform does Wealthsimple use? The answer is a combination of modern technologies, including cloud infrastructure, programming languages, frameworks, and databases. But it's also about the people behind the platform who ensure a seamless and secure experience for Wealthsimple's users. And, with that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.